Hi, we're back. I remember we were on Thanksgiving. I know, we were on Thanksgiving and we were on my knees, but now we're in a totally different place. This is my uncle.
Is that firework thing?
Mm-hmm.
This is my cousin Jordan.
That same shirt.
This is my cousin. No, I don't. I have a red one. This is my cousin Jordan. Say hi, YouTube.
You should give it to Josie. Hi, YouTube.
All right, everybody.
What?
This is my cousin Josie.
Y'all are making me late. Making me
It's our new
late.
YouTube star.
Like families more
Yeah,
important
say
than
hi,
solid.
YouTube. Bye, Aunt Curdy.
I love you. I love you. Oops, sorry. I hope I see you guys in a little bit.
This is my Aunt Curdy.
Come on, I have to do duck lips for you.
Like real cornbread.
That's not even a duck lips. That's what Mom says I do this when I do duck lips.
Duck lips. Dude, I do duck lips every time I go near a mirror. It's a bad habit.
I know.
I know. I can't help it. They're like, oh my God, Christy, every time you get
There's
near a
a
mirror.
dark secret.
Huh?
Are you going shopping with Mom? Or no?
No.
She doesn't have enough money.
No, I have no money,
Still
honey.
fun though.
Hang on, I gotta get the keys from
This is Josie. Josie, say hi, YouTube.
Really?
Alright, I'm going to get on the computer.
You're shy. You're camera shy. This is my second video for YouTube. Ta-da! Alright, this is dark. What do you do?
Okay. Where's Kyle?
It's way too big.
Oh.
He went to Doug and Liz.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I want to go to Doug and Liz. My mom said we might go.
Oh,
They're having a bonfire.
if you know that, those people that we went camping with, Cindy and that little girl, remember them?
Yeah?
They're gonna be there.
I like them. I like Doug and
We used to
Liz.
be best friends when we were real little. Ew.
Heh. What?
You're still recording now?
Yeah, duh. Why wouldn't I be? It's going to be like a 10-minute long episode. This is part 2, of course. Hello, Steph. Steph. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Shut up now.
Hi, Tanner. You know what you meant. And this is a random guy that I have no idea who he is.
You know my brother defeated...
Actually, I think his name's Joe. There's Tia. And there's my Peepa. Hi.
Hi, Annie.
See this?
No. Nobody.
Look, this is the back. I know, it's kind of cold. Ooh, it's kind of chilly. Might be walking for you. The American flag and go Jaguars! Bye! Okay, that's me. Where's my dad, buddy? Carl. Bye! Hello! That's my dad. You probably didn't know because it's like kind of boyfriend divorce. Long story. Not gonna tell it. It's a really long story. But time to get in the side.
Sit down.
Hi, Tia. That's my uncle. His name's Willie. His name's Joe, I think. So, I have no clue. And this is my dad. This is my dad. His name is Age.
What's up, y'all? And I love this girl right here so much.
Wow.
So much.
Hi, Mom. We met her. We met her in the first episode of the Hoover's Family Reality Show. Smith. You know, these are a bunch of stuff. And if y'all want to see, say hi, YouTube.
Wait, your first video?
Not right now. I haven't put it on the internet yet, but I'm making a Hoover with Smith reality show.
The Smith reality show, the Hoover reality show.
The Hoover and Smith reality show.
Ain't no Smiths here. There's one Smith.
Yeah, but I videotaped it at meetings.
Hoover, but she gave all that up.
No, but I also went to meetings. Hi, Tia. That's Tia.
Who my dog? Oh, I love
Now look, it's my dad's room. It's a beautiful room. Just kidding. This is its gold chain. It's not real gold, everybody. But down. See, this is the house. This is their house. It's a beautiful day outside. Oops, my bad. I probably shouldn't have that. Yep, everybody knows this. Has been going on. I'm crazy. Only been 5 minutes.
You gotta jump too. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? Oh, but 5 more minutes? Well, this is my mom, and I gotta leave because my mom, her battery's almost dead. But I might videotape a little later. Bye-bye.